Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on forgetting Wi-Fi networks on a Chromebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Forgetting a Wi-Fi network is easy. To do it, click the Wi-Fi icon from the bottom right of the screen. Click the up arrow to expand the control panel. Where it shows the current Wi-Fi connection, click the arrow beside its name. Now select the Wi-Fi network you want to forget. Click Forget to forget that Wi-Fi. The next time you try to connect to that Wi-Fi network again, it will ask for the password. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chromebook tips and tricks.